Okay, quick GarageBand intro type tutorial for someone that asked me a question. Let me open up GarageBand. It actually is open now. Empty project. Let me get my face out of the way. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do down here, I'm going to do the A minor just because I like it and I want to show you that you can do that. A minor. Using my built-in microphone right now, built-in output, because I want to show you just that, how simple it is with the built-in outputs, built-in microphones and outputs. So choose, here I go. Now, first thing, it's going to ask me, what do I want to get into this whole experience? Right now, I'm going to start with, I'm going to put guitar, input to, we'll see what happens, but you see how it says instrument is connected to built-in microphone. I hear it from built-in output. You can adjust these things here. Now I'm going to keep it like that. So create, and there's my guitar track. The volume is here. It's down. If I turn it up, now you're hearing me come through GarageBand somewhat. I'm going to go over here too on the left side to experimental guitar. Turning my volume down. This is monitor. This little thing is monitor here. But I'm going to try some weird effects for a second, just because. Check out Blue Wave and my voice. Hello. Hello. Turning off my microphone here. Hello. So now you're just hearing me through GarageBand. Sounds right. Sounds nice in the headphones. Not perfect. Let's change this. Okay, turning that off. Now, the simple experience of this now. Well, here's what I'm going to show you. There's many other things we could do with this. I'm going to move my face around a little bit. But since the person asked, I know what they're interested in doing. Loops on the side here. I'm going to my favorites. Anything you like, you can click on the left side here, and it'll show up in your favorites folder. So favorites. And I am going for, I forgot what I did. It's an ambient type experience. Let me see if I remember. Oh yes, here's metaphysical electronic piano. Click on it once, you can hear it. You can adjust volume if you like it. You drag it in. Now I'm going to click this cycle through here at the top. That puts a loop here. So if I push the button, it's going to play through this, and at the very end it's going to start it again. Okay, in the beginning we clicked A minor, right here is A minor at the top. So this is in A minor now. I'm going to go, there was another beat, I forgot what I was using for a beat. Something that wasn't too crazy. Let's see. Lo-fi country drums? No. Oh, I forgot what I used. Okay, that's too bad. Well, if it's horrible, I'll do something different. Groove alien beat, this could be horrible. Yep, that's pretty horrible. Click on it again, it should stop. Country. Yep, that's pretty horrible. That's hilarious. So you find something that you like. Wow. I don't know what happened to my drum beat. So let's see if I can push pause. Okay, I'm back. This amber beat, sorry. Click it. And nothing happens. Here it comes. Ah, yes. Dragging it over. Now it doesn't fill up this whole loop right here. If I look at the top, right of the loop of the sample, there's a little loop there. Bottom one just extends it. This extends the loop. We can do the same thing on this side. We can shorten it if we wanted to. Or we can extend it. I'm just going to leave this loop for the moment. I'll show you what else we can do with it. Now at this point, I'm going to go back and click on the guitar track. enter off. If we wanted to record something, I'm going to close the loop window. This bottom window I can close here too. Now, I want this to go for much longer. So, I grab the top, and I just drag it. And I grab the top of the other one, and I just drag it. And I should be able to go on and on. Oh, at the top right, there's a very end, this is how long the song is itself. So you can drag that, and drag that, and drag that, and drag that. And now, if I zoom out, now these things are going to go for a while. Right? Now if I go back and push record, my volume went down. Interesting. Oops. I recorded over my beat. Make sure you select the right track. See this? I'm shutting off my microphone. Garageband only. Pushing record. Oops. Going back to the beginning. Okay, so this, if I like it, I can actually just do the same thing with this. I can drag the loop. Just be careful, like you can zoom, oops, I zoomed way in too far. Be careful, because does it go right to the end or not? Like you might be looping something that's 16.1 measures, and it might eventually be offset. But now, we have this. Undo that because I don't want it to go that long. If I wanted to cut something somewhere, I can go wherever I want, and I should be able to go to Edit and Split. Then I can take one part and move it, or delete it, or things like that. Right? So at this point, a simple dragging in some loops in a key, A minor, there you go, and then getting a track together that you can experiment with. There's one other thing that I think is pretty cool. This is A minor. I'm going to do a new track on top left, software instrument, and with the software instrument, I'm going to go to synthesizer. Let's go to soundscape, and actually not sound effects, soundscape, there we go, a drift in the void. Takes a moment to load it, and if I go up here to Window, show musical typing. Now, all right, this is your C note. The A key is your C note. So it's C, D, E, F, G, A. So H, if I hold down my H key on the keyboard, it's an A. Listen to, if I push play on this, hold down this note, listen. Just for the fun of it, okay? And pushing record. Just holding it down. Let it go, hold it again. There you can see that was the note. I'm going to end at the end of this 16th measure. Now, this is actually perfect 16, so I can just keep extending that, it looks like. I extend that, and I extend this, now we've got this. Cool. Alright, musical typing, all kinds of fun stuff. Questions, you can put them in the chat, and if I get the emails on that, I'll see if I can get back to you guys. But enjoy. Hours of fun for the whole family.